Hakajing kenduk lang jong ki atli gi bor penyat district kata jong ke West Karbi Anglong bat ke West Giant Hills district kabla long menta kesengi ke khat kendai tetik uyayong arja atpulai hanong ba joai kila shim ya kesin jam na ke benta ban penek pensa ya ke syongsok syongsan haki benta jong ke kaput ha blok 1 kenang makan ammi kenu ke jingkulmar. Hakani ke jingyalang ke long hajowai na ke benta jong ke West Karbi Anglong lawan ban mikmat da ke Deputy Commissioner ke Krishna Baruah haringkat bodu Superintendent of Police U Indranil Baruah lembat kiwepat kat ban nakaliang jong gibor penyat district ke West Giant Hills district jan barok kelai don bentalang hapok ke jingyalam UDC. Hakani ke jingyalang kat kum ke kubor le thu bakilai kran saniba halor ke syongsuk syongsngan hapok ke kaput jong ke tan blok 1 bat halor ke jingjia ke badangshan hamojam bat Khanduli nakaliang jong gibor penyat district kin sia kran bat kinoyalam ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Habai kran bikilat patai kubor hadin balawai ke jingyalang nakaliang UDC ke West Giant Hills district ubak BS Solia habai kran bat kilat patai kubor uloong benakaliang jong ki atli gibor penyat district yang menta kin yele bantek lakam ya ke syongsok syongsan haki benta bami ke jingyakan at.
Meeting mennya da West Karbi Anglong iwan DC SP WU Assistant Commissioner. Nakaliang jongi ila download including na ka Giant Hills District Autonomous District Council Group. Jika ingin shim ke rai dan keren ke bangba kini nakalian ke District Administration joko West Karbi Anglong DC pada SP kin kendu ia kitu ki members joko Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council masyarakat sengi kin batai ya ke jingrai jadi menne kita ke bangba kini dia kepala ini bandung su onu ka jingya kenat ini nu ke kam ke ba manra ka makta ya ka sukasan jadi kata di kinra ya kata ke council kin ya ka baja Khanduli kin sapen pau hi ka council ya tu ka taxation gate ba mri ban bu shu ham tu man bu no syak wi jaka ki ba ki hun ki ba jong ka Khanduli sebelum kreatif hi minta bikidan ki ardi ni regional committees kawai jong West Giant Hills kawai jong West Karbi Anglong beda begitu kam kisarai sampai hadu kaput jong regional committees ni mentangi pecua tangi ke law and order kanum don kanu ka breakdown in law and order kanum don kanu ka clash kanum don kanu ka jinya mensal ni jinya Islam na kanu kalian ni pecua kata di kijam kam jong jaka kita itu kisarai ni siapa dah kau kaput boleh syong di regional committees pak mendek dalam regional committee jong ka West Karbi Anglong.
Nakaliang joka DC ke West Karbi Anglong ke Krishna Baruah kalai thu bahalor ke jingjia ha Khanduli nakaliang ki bor penyat district kin sia kran bat kinoelam ke KAAC halor ke jing pynïeng khyrdop.
Whatever we feel so that this kind of situations do not arise in future and we can have a peaceful situation out there because people over there are very simple. Okay, they don't want any kind of disturbance, but whatever happens, say third party comes up, then they incites the people, then it happens. So basically we will be having more coordination with the grassroots level, say all from the grassroots level, from the police administration and from us. We already have a very close relations with everyone, but the main thing happens say in the grassroots level, they may not be aware of what is happening. So these things should be shared very frequently with each other, and we want to resolve the issues as soon as possible, as because we have the regional committee from here also and from Assam also. They will meet soon, and with the highest authorities approval it will be solved very soon. These revenue matters as it is, as we have discussed already, the revenue matters here it is from joint councils, under the joint councils, and from us also it is for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils. So any development activities, this is their autonomy is there. So whatever they do, they don't inform us. Because that's why maybe this is happening. So we will convey the message to them that whatever the construction work, development work they will be doing, if they inform us, then I will be definitely informing the district administration. Or say revenue point of view or revenue documentation, whatever we had a discussion with the revenue officials. They stated as per their map, whatever the map we have, the Khanduli they stated it is within the jurisdiction of our district.